We've got a 67 bus in. It's one of Bob's mates. We are just rectifying stuff that somebody else had a go at. So he wasn't happy with loading doors. As you know, Bob's got a little fetish with loading doors. So we're going to get them working properly. Obviously, we're just doing little repairs, which always turns into way bigger than we think. So inner and outer sills, rear quarter panel, and then we were just doing some tiny little repairs around the A-pillar, but it's turned into an A-pillar bottom, dogleg bottom, and it's gone to the inner valance, outer valance, possibly lower front panel as well. While we were waiting for panels to turn up, he has supplied something that we don't normally do, which is a steering box raise kit. So I'm just getting my head around that at the moment. And what else we got, Bob?
Cargo door bottoms. They've been done badly, built out of fiberglass. Yeah.
There's something about windows as well. Front window surrounds.
Yes, rust around the safaris.
So it's not just full-on restos that we do. Quick in and out jobs, more than happy to take on. So I think we've quoted 3 or 4 days to do all of this stuff.
3 or 4 days. Your man really likes doors to work, open and close, which I get. So there's no quick fix, which is why we've ended up going into a floor edge, inner and outer sills, and the lower side panel, giving us the best opportunity to get as good a gap as we can.
The end.
Watch this space.
Watch this space.
What were you doing earlier on in the front?
Oh, so that was a steering box raise. So you've got to chop out, there's 2 little supports. One's a chassis rail, well, not little supports. One's a chassis rail, which welds onto the inner valance. And then your other one is your steering box support. And as Pete is lowering this, you put in one of these, which takes 40 mil, which just stops the bottom of the steering box grounding out on speed humps, whatever, normal roads. And yeah, it just makes it last a bit longer. But then you've also got a machine off the top of the steering column, so the steering wheel isn't up around your chin. Got it?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
What are you doing then, Bob?
I just fucking sold it. Right. Okay. Here. Just going to rattle these spot welds off.
Here we go, just measuring up for the last final bits, B-post, inner sill work and onto loading doors. 0.7 discs used here, they put less heat into the panels when you're cutting. Let's see what's behind. Yeah, always worse. That's had a horrible little repair in the past, load of brazing, load of oxy settling. So little repairs to go onto the lower dog leg, onto a post. These get spot welded on, so they look all factory, and then I'll make a little repair panel for the floor as well. This up from the mez, looking down, so we can see everything going on in the workshop. And the overseer, little Farley, our workshop dog, making sure me and Ruben get these safaris in place. Good job he's off half term. He's here helping me with the safaris and a little bit of prep work in a minute. So there's a final fit up now and final lick of paint, so prep, and then we should be ready to go.
We've done inner and outer sills, floor edge, door bottoms, quarter panel repair, A-pillar, dog legs, and then just got doors to open and close properly. So this had no door gaps whatsoever when it came here. And after doing all of this, floor edge, sills, door bottoms, everything, just getting things to fit correctly is what we really like. Just nice, crisp, even gaps. It should be how it came out of the factory. Same with the front door, overlapping on the B-pillar when it got here, hitting the bumper, and just general nastiness. Now, everything opens, closes. It's just a very mild little resto that we're given this. Still, the driver's side needs sills and everything. We just wanted to concentrate getting all of this working so we can use it this summer.
And how many days have you been there?
We booked him in for 3 days, went into about 4.5 in the end. So all of the inner front valance all done. Oh, we did a steering box raise on this, which is why the steering wheel is up around your chin. So steering box raise, inner valance, A-pillar. Re-threaded all of the bumper so we can mount it all correctly. Reset all the doors so everything opens and closes nice. Really nice, crisp, clean door gaps. Just a little patina cut.